March 7th, 2023. There's my 5 long guns. I plan on collecting a lot more than this, from left to right. Here's my Mossberg Maverick 88 12-gauge shotgun, my 22 LR Henry lever action rifle, my Savage B22 22 Magnum, my Savage semi-automatic 22 model 64, and my Savage Mark II model 2 Mark II 22 long rifle as well. So we got here again, recap: Mossberg Maverick 88, the Henry lever action, Savage bolt action 22 Magnum, Savage semi-automatic 22 LR, and Savage Mark II bolt action 22 LR. We plan on getting a different caliber for every single one of these classes: shotgun classes, lever actions, bolt actions, semi-automatics. So we got 2 bolt actions, we got 1 semi-automatic, 1 lever action, and 1 shotgun pump action. What's going to happen is the next major purchase will be the Henry lever action 22 Magnum, and then from there we're going to add a semi-automatic, probably going to be Magnum 22. I heard Magnum 22s are pretty hard to get in semi-automatic. That's the one right there, that's semi-automatic. And then last but not least, we'll get another shotgun put on the arsenal. So that's what we got for now. Bye for now.